Hey everyone, welcome back to Megaverse Builds. We're back once again at Spotify Camp Nou, enjoying these incredible elevated views of the stadium. This perspective never gets old, and it really shows how much progress is happening across the entire site. Please make sure to like the video and subscribe to Megaverse Builds so you don't miss any of our daily updates. Let's jump straight into today's update because there's a lot of movement, especially around the lateral side and the south goal. From up here we can already see multiple boom lifts working at the same time, which is always a good sign. Starting on the lateral facade, crews are actively installing the remaining louvre anchors. These anchoring points are essential before the ceramic louvres can be mounted, and progress here is clearly accelerating. Work has begun from the lower levels and is now moving upward sector by sector. Moving into the corner area, this is where things are really picking up. Large stacks of ceramic louvres are already on site, many still wrapped in protective plastic. Cranes are lifting individual louvres into position, mainly in the lower sections for now, leaving the usual small gaps near structural pillars. The upper levels are next, and all signs point to heavy louvre installation activity continuing here very soon. Please make sure to like the video and subscribe to Megaverse Builds. It's completely free and helps keep us motivated to bring you daily updates. Around the south goal, there's consistent movement with cranes, platforms, and support structures. This area is now fully in the phase of facade preparation, with most of the focus on louvre supports, anchors, and alignment. Waterproofing tests are also holding up well, with standing water still visible in tested zones, confirming proper sealing. Ground level, demolition work continues near the parking entrance. A hydraulic breaker is finishing off sections of wall that were previously cut back to widen access. This will improve circulation once the stadium reopens. Heading toward the north goal corner, progress is a bit slower but steady. Structural connections are in place, though some areas still need finishing and final paintwork, especially where anti-corrosion coatings are visible. Inside, welding work continues, with sparks visible from several elevated platforms. Now over to Tribuna, where we're starting to see more finishing details. Escalators now have their handrails installed, which is a big visual step forward. Electrical and interior works continue beneath them, but this area is transitioning from raw structure to usable space. Tribuna is also packed with prefabricated seating and stair elements, with new deliveries arriving regularly. Finally, the diamond area. Barriers have been removed. Massive glass panels are already installed, with more staged nearby. The scale of this space is impressive, and it's quickly becoming one of the most visually striking parts of the project. That's it for today's update. Progress is happening on every side of the stadium, and the shift from structural work to finishing phases is becoming more visible every single day. Please make sure to like the video and subscribe to Megaverse Builds so you don't miss any of our daily updates. We'll be back tomorrow with another full Camp Nou update. See you then.